employment, growth, informalization and other issues. Let's start with meaning of employment. Employment is an activity which enables a person to earn means of living. Yes, so it refers to an arrangement by which a person earn income or means of livelihood. So employment may be either in the form of self-employment or wage employment. Now, there are a different category of worker: regular salaried employees, self-employed, casual workers. This picture is about self-employment. What does mean by self-employment? Yes, it's an arrangement in which a worker uses its own resources, yes, to make a living. It's called a self-employment. And the worker who own and operate an enterprises to earn their livelihood are known as self-employment. About 52% of workforce in India belongs to this category. That is, self-employment is a major source of livelihood for both men as well as for a woman. In this case of self-employment, a person makes use of its own land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship to make a living. Example of self-employment: shopkeeper, traders, businessmen, etc. or example of self-employment. Yes, now it's about casual workers. Yes, worker who are casually engaged in and in return get a remuneration for the work done, are termed as casual worker. The casual worker are not hired on a permanent basis. It means they do not have regular income, protection or regulation from the government, even no job security and no social benefits. So casual workers account for 30% of India's workforce. Let's move on to the other one. This is about regular worker, or we'll be calling it as a regular salaried employees. When a worker is engaged by someone or by enterprises, it's paid wage on the regular basis. Then such worker is known as regular salaried employees. The worker are hired on a permanent basis and they will have a social security benefits like pension, provident fund, etc. Even the regular workers account for 18% of India's workforce. Example of regular salaried employees are professors, teachers, self-engineers, working in the construction company, etc. or example of regular worker. Now let's move on to a distribution of sectors, distribution of employment in different sector. There are primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Yes. Now let's see what is meant by primary sector. Primary sector is otherwise called a agricultural sector. Yes, which connect with agricultural and other allied activities. Yes. Example of primary sector: mining, quarrying, fisheries, etc. are example of primary sector. Now, let's see the distribution of employment in the different sector. That's what I've said you. Now we are discussing about the primary sector. The primary sector is a major source of employment for majority of worker. That is 49% of worker. It's their major source of employment is primary sector. And around 24% of worker are employed in the secondary sector. Around 67% of worker in rural area depends on primary sector. Now, let's move on to the secondary sector. Secondary sector is otherwise called a manufacturing sector. An example of secondary sector are electricity, gas, water supply, construction, etc. or example of secondary sector. Secondary and tertiary sector provide employment to only around 16% and 17% of worker respectively in the rural area. So secondary as well as the tertiary sector will provide only 16% and 17% of workers in the rural area. Around 63% of workers in urban areas work in the service sector. Around 44% in the secondary sector. So, the primary sector employs only around 9% of workers. Now, tertiary sector is otherwise called the service sector. An example of tertiary sector are trade and commerce, transport, storage, services, education, healthcare or example of tertiary sector. Yes, so far we have discussed about the distribution of employees in the primary, secondary and tertiary sectors, the distribution of employment in the different sectors, yes, and discussed about what is meaning of employment and what are the types of employment, self-employment and wage employment. I have said you the wage employment divided into 1. Regular worker, 2. Casual workers. Thank you students.